If you're over 60 and believe that gaining muscle requires spending a lot on protein powders, expensive meats, or special diets, or some good news, what I'm about to tell you can help you save hundreds of dollars each year while building more strength than costly supplements ever could. The truth is this: after age 50, we begin to lose around 1 to 2% of our muscle mass each year. By the time we reach 80, that can mean up to a 30% decline in strength. At the same time, protein prices continue to rise, and the fitness world promotes the idea that staying strong requires spending hundreds of dollars a month on high-end products. In reality, some of the best muscle-building proteins can be found right in the affordable section of your local grocery store without fancy marketing or famous faces, and they're just as effective, if not more so. Over the past 3 years, I've explored why some older adults maintain impressive strength as they age, while others face increasing weakness and dependency. The surprising truth had nothing to do with higher spending. In fact, the strongest older adults usually spent less. They focused on protein sources their bodies could absorb and use more efficiently. In this video, I'll reveal 7 budget-friendly, protein-rich foods, each costing under $3 per serving, ranked from good to essential. I'll break down why they outperform costly options, what they actually cost, and the best ways to prepare them for optimal muscle growth. And here's the twist: the top food on the list costs under 50 cents per serving and offers more usable protein than supplements priced 20 times higher. Number 7, sardines. A can of sardines contains about 23 grams of complete protein for only around 1.25. While many people may not find them appealing, for older adults on a budget looking to build muscle, these small fish are nutritional powerhouses that outperform expectations. It's not just their protein content that makes sardines so effective. What makes them stand out is the quality and completeness of their protein. Sardines contain all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle growth and are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and slow muscle loss in older adults. As we age, our muscles become more prone to inflammation-related damage, and chronic low-level inflammation can break down muscle faster than it can be rebuilt. This makes the combination found in sardines especially important. Research has shown that seniors who ate small fatty fish like sardines twice a week over 3 years retained significantly more muscle than those who consumed them only occasionally. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that omega-3's anti-inflammatory effects helped preserve muscle that would otherwise be lost due to inflammation. Interestingly, participants who regularly ate sardines also maintained better grip strength and walking speed than those who didn't, showing that the benefits extended to real physical performance. Sardines are an excellent choice for anyone on a budget, with the added benefit of soft, edible bones that provide calcium for strong bones. Each can cost about $1.25 and offers the same quality protein as a 60 serving of salmon. Another key advantage is their convenience. They last a long time, require no cooking, and can be eaten straight from the can. Sardines make it easy to stock up during sales and always have a reliable source of quality protein available. Unlike fresh fish that spoils quickly and needs special storage, they're simple to use. Mash them into avocado toast with lemon and herbs, toss them into pasta salad for a lighter taste, mix them into scrambled eggs for a protein boost, spread them on crackers with hot sauce, or blend them into a Caesar dressing. Staying consistent is key. Even 1 can a week provides valuable nutrition that helps maintain muscle. 6. Cottage cheese contains about 24 grams of protein per cup and costs around $2.50 for a 16-ounce container. While it might seem like an old-fashioned choice, it's actually one of the most effective and affordable protein sources for older adults looking to build muscle. What makes cottage cheese unique is its protein composition. It's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady flow of amino acids to the muscles for several hours. Since the body becomes less efficient at processing protein with age, this gradual release is especially beneficial for seniors. The consistent supply of amino acids from casein helps overcome anabolic resistance, the diminished capacity of aging muscles to react to protein consumption. Imagine it like the difference between drinking water slowly throughout the day and guzzling it all at once. The prolonged release from casein ensures no protein is wasted even without exercise. Master University research revealed that older adults who ingested casein protein saw notable increases in muscle growth and strength. In the study, participants consumed casein before bed, allowing the slow-digesting protein to work overnight during the body's natural repair phase. A 16-oz container costs $2.50 and contains about 100 g of a high-quality protein, making it one of the most affordable muscle-building foods at less than 3 cents per gram. For comparison, that's the same price as a protein bar with only 20 g of protein. A clinical study in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association revealed that seniors who ate cottage cheese at least 4 times a week had measurable increases in muscle mass and grip strength compared to those who did not. These participants also scored higher on bone density tests, likely due to the protein synergistic effects with its high calcium content. Selecting full-fat varieties over low-fat ones is crucial since the beneficial fats help with protein absorption and promote satiety. The fat also aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, essential for healthy muscle function. You can use cottage cheese as a base for savory recipes with herbs and vegetables, blend it into smoothies for creaminess, eat it with berries for a protein-rich snack, or even use it instead of ricotta cheese and lasagna. 5. Lentils. 18 grams of protein per cooked cup of lentils cost under 1.50 per pound. Although they may not seem like a powerful muscle-building food, lentils provide seniors on a budget with complete nutrition that supports muscle growth, long-lasting energy, and vital nutrients that become increasingly important with age. Lentils are valuable for muscle growth not only because of their protein content, but also due to their combination of protein, fiber, iron, and B vitamins that support muscle performance and recovery. A lack of iron can weaken muscles and reduce stamina even before it shows up as low hemoglobin, which is a common issue among older adults. Many seniors deal with mild iron deficiency that leads to fatigue and weakness, often mistaken for a normal part of aging. Lentils can help address this nutritional shortfall. They also contain leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis, making them one of the few plant proteins to do so. While not a complete protein by themselves, lentils provide all essential amino acids when eaten throughout the day with grains or nuts. This makes them especially useful for seniors wanting to reduce meat intake without compromising muscle growth. A Journal of Nutrition study found that older adults who regularly ate legumes, such as lentils, had better physical function and preserved muscle mass compared to those who relied mainly on animal proteins. Researchers attributed this to legumes' anti-inflammatory compounds, which helped create a favorable environment for muscle maintenance. Lentils' high fiber content also supports gut health, which is vital for nutrient absorption and effective muscle building. A pound of dry lentils offers about 8 servings of high-quality protein for under 20 cents each. They can be added to soups, stews, salads, or served as a side dish. Lentils cook faster than most beans, requiring only about 30 minutes without soaking. Red lentils cook the fastest and have a mild flavor, breaking down into a creamy texture that's ideal for those with chewing difficulties. Brown and green lentils hold their shape better, offering a meat-like texture perfect for salads and grain bowls. For best results, cook lentils with aromatic spices like ginger, garlic, and turmeric to boost muscle support while improving flavor and digestion. 4. Canned tuna. Canned tuna costs $1 per can and provides 20 togi of high-quality protein in a 30Z portion. For seniors on a limited budget who want to gain muscle, tuna is one of the best protein options available. You get the same high-quality protein as expensive fresh fish for only $1 per can, plus the convenience of a long shelf life and no preparation needed. Tuna's remarkable amino acid composition makes it excellent for building muscle. It's naturally low in fat and calories while containing all 9 essential amino acids in the right ratios for muscle protein synthesis. This makes it ideal for seniors who want to increase lean muscle without adding extra body fat. For seniors, the lean protein profile is especially important because excess body fat can disrupt hormones that promote muscle growth and increase inflammation throughout the body. Additionally, tuna's protein is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can easily absorb and digest it, a key factor as digestive efficiency declines with age. Research from the University of Arkansas found that older adults used fish protein such as tuna more efficiently than other protein sources, with absorption rates above 90% even among those over 70. At $1 per can, you're paying less than 5 cents per gram of protein. Compare that to protein powders that can cost 15-20 cents per gram, or even high-end supplements marketed to seniors that can be 10 times more expensive per gram than canned tuna. For the best value and calorie control, choose tuna packed in water rather than oil. The cheapest type is chunk light tuna, though Albar has slightly higher protein content and a firmer texture. You can eat tuna straight from the can with crackers. Add it to salads for extra protein. Cook it into patties with eggs or mix it with whole grain crackers and vegetables for a quick meal. The FDA advises adults concerned about mercury to eat up to 12 ounces of low mercury fish, such as canned light tuna, per week. This keeps intake within safe limits while providing plenty of muscle-building nutrition. Rotating between canned fish options like salmon, sardines, and tuna helps reduce any potential exposure. 3. Eggs. Each dozen whole eggs cost $2.50 and contains 6 g of complete protein per egg. For seniors aiming to build muscle, eggs may be one of the most underrated and cost-effective options. You get high-quality protein along with vital nutrients that support muscle function and recovery. Benefits isolated protein sources can't match, all for about 20 cents per egg. Eggs protein stands out not just for quantity, but but for quality. They have the highest protein quality score of any whole food, meaning your body can use nearly all of it. This is especially important for seniors as protein absorption efficiency can decline with age, making every gram count. What many people don't realize is that half of an egg's protein, along with key nutrients like leucine, vitamin D, and choline, is in the yolk. A University of Illinois study showed that eating whole eggs after exercise resulted in a 40% greater muscle growth response compared to eating egg whites alone. Nutrients in the yolk enhance the body's use of the white's protein, creating a synergy that neither egg whites nor protein powders can match. Eggs are also one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, which directly impacts muscle performance. Seniors with higher vitamin D levels consistently have better muscle strength. Unlike vitamin D supplements that can be poorly absorbed without fat, the vitamin D in eggs is paired with healthy fats that improve absorption. A dozen eggs provide 72 gallons of complete protein for less than 4 cents per gram, making them among the most affordable muscle-building foods. They're versatile and easy to prepare. Make omelets with vegetables. Poach eggs over whole grain toast, hard-boil them for snacks, or scramble with vegetables for a full meal. Eating the whole egg, not just the whites, is key. Recent studies have largely debunked the link between egg consumption and heart disease for most people. The choline in yolks also supports brain health, important for maintaining the mind-muscle connection in both exercise and daily activities. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt provides 20 g of protein per cup and costs $50 for a 32-ounce container. Its unique protein composition and versatility make it one of the most effective foods for seniors looking to build muscle. For about 80 cents per serving, you get high-quality protein that supports muscle growth and recovery around the clock. Greek yogurt is special because it contains both fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein. Whey delivers amino acids quickly for immediate muscle protein synthesis, while casein provides a steady release for hours, perfect for seniors needing constant muscle nourishment. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics that support gut health, which research shows is essential for nutrient absorption and reducing inflammation that accelerates muscle loss. When your gut is healthy, your body makes better use of the protein you eat. A TS University study found that seniors who regularly ate Greek yogurt had more muscle mass and better physical function than those who ate regular yogurt or none at all. The researchers credited the concentrated protein and casein's long-lasting support for muscles. Over 12 weeks, participants who ate Greek yogurt daily improved walking speed and leg strength. A 32 Oz container provides 1,660 g of protein for about 3 cents per gram, making it competitive with the cheapest protein sources. Greek yogurt is also high in calcium, which supports bone health, B vitamins that aid energy metabolism, and probiotics that promote digestion. Since strong bones are essential for strong muscles, the calcium content is particularly important for older adults. Opt for full-fat plain Greek yogurt without added sugars, as sugars can increase inflammation. Full-fat options also help you feel fuller longer and improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. You can enjoy Greek yogurt in smoothies, paired with berries and nuts, used as a substitute for sour cream, or even as a marinade for meats. Its versatility lets you incorporate it into meals throughout the day to maximize muscle-building potential. 1. Dried beans. Each cooked cup of dried beans contains 15 g of protein and cost about 1.20 per pound. Despite their humble appearance, dried beans are the best low-cost muscle-building food for seniors. At about 1.20 per pound, beans provide around 12 servings of high-quality protein, costing just 10 cents per serving. They offer a combination of protein, complex carbohydrates for lasting energy, fiber for digestive health, and important minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron that support muscle growth and repair. The fiber also nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing nutrient absorption and lowering inflammation, an important factor in preventing age-related muscle loss. Beans also have anti-inflammatory compounds that support an ideal environment for muscle growth. Chronic low-level inflammation is a key factor in muscle loss and aging, and the polyphenols in beans help combat this. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition followed seniors for 5 years and found that those who consumed beans regularly maintained better muscle mass, improved physical function, fewer hospital visits due to falls, and greater independence. Beans by themselves don't provide all the essential amino acids, but your body can combine the amino acids from beans with those found in grains, nuts, or small amounts of animal protein consumed throughout the day. They don't need to be eaten together in a single meal. Eating a variety helps avoid flavor fatigue and provides a range of nutrients. Black beans are high in antioxidants, kidney beans offer folate, navy beans are rich in fiber and potassium, and chickpeas contain more protein per cup than most other types. Costing less than 1 cent per gram of protein, beans offer the best value among muscle-building foods. 1 pound of dried beans provides 9 times the protein of a protein bar at the same price. Although they require longer cooking times, beans can be cooked in large batches and frozen in portions for convenience. Using a slow cooker or pressure cooker simplifies the process. Beans can be mashed into spreads, mixed into salads, added to soups and stews, or served alongside grains for a complete protein meal because they take on flavors easily. They fit well into Mexican, Mediterranean, Asian, and many other dishes. Expensive diets and supplements aren't required for muscle growth in seniors. Some of the best muscle-building foods are right in the budget aisle of your local grocery store. Every dollar spent on these 7 foods is an investment in your strength, independence, and overall health. Begin by adding just 2 of these foods to your meals this week. Try making a simple bean soup for dinner. Enjoy Greek yogurt with berries for breakfast or bring sardines for lunch. Keep track of how much you currently spend on protein and compare it to these budget-friendly options. You might discover you can achieve better results while spending less. The key is consistency, not perfection. Keep canned tuna and sardines in your pantry. Prepare beans in large batches and rely on eggs and Greek yogurt for your daily protein. You'll probably notice increased energy, quicker recovery, and maintained strength to support your independence. Building muscle as a senior doesn't need to be expensive. These 7 affordable protein-packed foods show that the best nutrition is often the most budget-friendly. You just need to know where to find it. Please share this video if you think it could help someone you care about maintain strength without breaking the bank. For more science-backed advice on healthy aging at any budget, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really supports the channel. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads. I'd love to hear your feedback, so share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.